What's up, guys? Origin here, just giving everybody an update and letting you all know that I am not dead. It's been too damn long since I put up a video, but I've been really busy with real job, working there, managing a company I'm the IT manager there, so I'm pretty busy with that. And in my free time, I'm working on what you see on the screen now, which is hopefully going to turn into a game at some point. This is Blender 3D, free 3D modeling program. I'm working on a human character right now, which you can see here. It's not finished, but it's in the process of turning into something, and it still doesn't look right because I forgot to switch it to cycles render. But this is a human I'm working on. He's got some armor on and stuff, and you zoom in here and switch to the other engine, you can see the detail on his skin, which I'm pretty proud of. I'm like, that looks badass. It actually looks like skin. You know, I got little freckles and things like that. So it's getting somewhere. I'm not having fun working on this damn human though, because when I'm working on the alien, I can do whatever the hell I want. It doesn't have to look like anything. But the human, it has to look like a friggin' human. So that one's kind of a pain in the ass. But we switch over to the alien here, and this one doesn't look as good in the engine because I have different materials applied to it that look different in the game engine than they do in the 3D modeling program. So it's a little bit different looking here. I'll switch over to Unity and oops, show you what's going on over there. Plus, I've been playing Black Desert in my free time, which you see here is MMO, and this game is addictive as shit. But I always have it up because you can fish. Like all these people are not actually playing; they're just AFK fishing. So you can set your guy up to fish automatically and just get money for it, which is insane. Alrighty, so here we are in Unity. This is the actual game engine program. This it's an awesome thing. It really cuts out a lot of the hard work of creating a game. But we're taking a look at my hatchling class here. This is what he looks like in the engine right now, and you'll see it's still a work in progress. Like you see, there's little lines on the seam and stuff like that. Where basically I was testing a normal map to make it look like it's skin and different things like that. But it's really cool how this stuff works. Like these lines that are in it, the big grooves aren't actually in the model. Like if you look from the side or the front, it's a flat surface there. If you look from the top, it's got a little indentation and stuff. It's basically a way to create a low poly model that make it look like a high poly model. This environment is just a terrain I threw together in 5 minutes just to test out the movements and stuff like that and the abilities that I'm working on for the aliens and the other classes that I'm going to be working on. But basically a quick way to do it so that way I don't have to load the entire map just to test something. So if I go up here and click play, see I'll be able to move around in my character, and I got this one set up. This one just runs forward. I was using it to test basically killing it. I don't know if I have it set up anymore, but I've done so much testing I don't think I can kill it anymore. But then just testing everything to test all the functionality, the different moves and stuff. Like I even took out the footstep sound effects. Like he usually has footsteps when you walk forward, but I'm going to be changing animations, giving them left and right animations, because right now it's just the walking forward animation. Same with the back one. Or no, the back one, the backwards one I actually made go backwards. But anyway, he can move forward, he can sprint, he can jump, and then he has a super move. You look at the little bar on the bottom right there. That's his super move. But he's going to be able to jump and apply a poison effect to anything it touches. So like if you hit a player, boom, it gives poison damage. But you basically right click to do that, shoots him real far. And I'm not going to have it to where he floats like that. I got to change the gravity around and everything like that too. But there's another just random object I had in the level to test collision effects and make sure everything was going to interact normally. But basically, that's what I've been doing in the past month. Learning programming, learning modeling, learning Unity Engine, just different things like that. I got a couple different random models in here that I've been playing around with. Like this is a just a kind of like basic pistol I was working on. Another very early design, just kind of like brainstorm idea, threw something together. This is what the human looks like right now. This is what he looks like in the engine. Real plasticky looking. Still a lot more work to do. They got a seam on the top of his head and things like that. I gotta mess with, but I just threw him into the engine to see what he would look like actually in the game. That's about what I got so far. I switched back and forth between Unity programming and Blender and modeling and learning textures and animations and all these different things. So it's kind of a long process. So that's why I haven't really had much to show you guys because it's taken so long for me to figure out each of these programs and different processes that I got to do. But it's been interesting and fun, and I've actually got a little bit to show you guys, so I figured I'd go ahead and show you that. But yeah, that's what's been going on. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and let me know what you think of the, the process so far on my game. It's very, very, very super early. It's mainly still in its conceptual phase. It's basically an idea that I'm throwing around and starting to see if it's going to come together. But I'll try to do something soon again, maybe another update in a week or two, or maybe just gameplay like I've been doing. But I need time for that, so sorry for the lack of vids. I hope you guys understand, and glad you're sticking around. And hopefully, there'll be some more content coming out soon. But thanks for watching. Catch you guys later.